see, everything is in Prabhupada's books. It's just a matter of understanding it. Did Prabhupada speak of 5 mellows? What are those 5 mellows? Shanta, Dasya, Sakhya, Vatsalya and Madhu. Now out of those 5, Prabhupada actually considered 4 are in pure devotional service. Shantarash hasn't been because there is no service, there is no active reciprocation. So devotees are not interested in meditation. Yogis are interested in meditation. Now there are 4 different active mellows. We serve with Dasyaras, that natural way. It's not that we should imagine, I'll serve Krishna in friendship or conjugal and so forth. That will happen automatically. And it has also been pointed out that we serve Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Dasaras. And as a result of that, we get elevation to Vrindavan in Sakhya, Vatsalya and Madhur.
But will the way how we serve in the temples and how we do in Dasaras, will that influence which identity we will get, or that's...
You see, that will happen by Krishna's mercy. That is not something that will happen in the preliminary sadhana bhakti stage. And that will happen in the siddha state. Say, for example, that when we are serving Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishna's pastimes of Vrindavan will manifest in our hearts. And accordingly we'll develop some attachment to one of the associates of Krishna. And accordingly our actual identity, Swarup, will become revealed. It will happen naturally. Therefore, there is no need to artificially try to do something. That is what the Sahajiyas do. They are in an imperfect stage already. They are in a mundane situation, but they are imitating. They think that by imitating these activities, they will be elevated to spiritual sky, especially Vrindavan. There is one cult of Sahajiyas, Upper Sampradayas. They dress like a woman. Men, but they wear sari because they think that they are gopis in Vrindavan. Now, by these artificial means, will it happen? No. Nityananda Prabhu made it very clear when he is instructing Jiva Goswami. By Dasaras, you serve Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and as a result of that, your access to Vrindavan will become available. Prabodhananda Saraswati Thakur also said the same thing. Jatha jatha gaura padara vinde, bindeta bhakting krita punya rasi, tatha tathot sharpati hridi akashmat, radha padam bhoja sudhambho rashi. As one develops his attachment to the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu due to his heaps of pious activities, all of a sudden he'll find that his heart has become inundated with the nectar emanating from the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani. See, service to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's lotus feet will inundate our hearts with the nectar emanating from lotus feet of Srimati Radharani. What is that nectar that emanates from the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani? Vraja Prema. That's how it will happen. We don't meditate. That's not our process. But active devotional service. How? Service to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In which mellow? Dasyaras.
No devotee of this kind should be worried when you that you become a tree in the spiritual.
If one wants to become a tree, he can do that. Another point is, it's not a matter of what we want to be. It's a matter of what Krishna wants us to be. That is the difference between material and spiritual. In the material nature, we want to be something. But in the spiritual context, what Krishna wants us to be, that's what matters.